Hello, this is the Tachibana Corporation with another unboxing video. Today, we finally got our hands on the fitting kit for the Echo Loop. As you can see here, there's an easy open tab. Let's go ahead and get started. So you can see, opening this box, there are 4 different sized rings. And then, here's the instructions for finding your fit. Here's the important information. That's the whole box. Now as for the ring itself, it's made out of a pretty light plastic, which explains why it's free. Alright, that's the video. Thank you. Catch you guys next time.